like a Hellcat.
Ayo, what is up, gang? It's your bro Francis, back again with another reaction video. So today we are gonna react to a music video from Meghalaya by DJ Wanshan featuring Kupar Shadap. They just put out this music video called Holiday. And also we have already reacted to DJ Wanshan's Tang Mafi, which was indeed really a dope music video. I really enjoyed that one too, and yeah, I know this one is also gonna be lit. So without further ado, let's just dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what this music video has for us on the table. And yeah, before we totally get into the video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a part of the family. And to all the subscribers, thank you so much for all the love and support you guys have been showing constantly. It truly means a lot. So let's just jump right into the video. Let's enjoy the ride. Quote, tribes present. Wow. Directed by Wanshan Suchiang. The quality is amazing. Emika Biam, cinematographer. Wanshan, editor. From different angles they have taken shots. Wow, beautiful. Heaven on earth, man, for real. This is paradise. The drone shot is amazing, and the fields and this road and some few trees in here, man. Very nice.
DJ Wanshan.
Hey, DJ Wanshan. Oh man.
Por chuti ka for wa muja. Ka por siya bang chipayu para. Wagi loki jorlaya bam kana. Chiyung chisem uyak men siya pa.
Hey.
Ikena college neki kena school. Waro uya chat hey sur. The men can roki kalot kena.
This is like some college students or some school students. They are going for a picnic, holiday enjoyment. I wish there was subtitle. I was checking for the subtitle, but it is not there. But yeah, no problem. Oh,
happy holiday.
Yeah. Happy holiday.
Happy holiday.
Hey.
Happy you and me. Happy holiday.
Wow. This is really awesome.
Why happen the shy?
Hey.
Hey, spend your time with your loved ones.
Wow.
Play some games, play some songs, make some noise and sing along.
Man, for real, man. You gotta enjoy. You only live once, YOLO. Wow. Hey. I really love, bonfire or campfire, whatever you call it, man. And this camping and all, for real, man. This is very, what to say. Man, I love it, that's all, man. I really want to go on a trip like this.
What you do, Jinkerman? Porchuti de Porbakman. Kaporjing imban sang temba.
Hey!
Happy
Wow.
holiday.
Happy holiday.
Happy holiday. Happy you and me. Happy holiday. Let's go to
Hey.
Extra classes.
Oh, we got advertisement. Once again, DJ Wanshan has not disappointed us. It was really a great music video. It was really jolly, you know. And yeah, man, shout out to DJ Wanshan and Kupar Shadap. You guys have done a great job. It was really amazing. You know, keep coming more. Also, it gave me that, you know, that picnic, that holiday vibe. You know, I want to go to a picnic and, you know, enjoy the bonfire, you know, the campfire with dances and all, with music. That would be really dope. You know, you only live once. Once again, I'm telling you, YOLO. You gotta enjoy, you know, to the fullest. But you know, there should be a limit. You know, even when you enjoy, you know, you should see the boundary. When I say fullest, it doesn't mean that, you know, you cross the boundary and, you know, you do some crazy wild stuff and you end up yourself into some really bad shit, into, you know, into the pit. It shouldn't be like that. But you know, there is always a boundary, so enjoy within the arena, man, for real. And yeah, man, keep coming more. Thank you so much once again to each and every one of you who have come to watch this reaction. And yeah, man, happy holidays, and you guys are amazing. Amen. Northeast for life. Here we go. Thank